Secure union room access. The keys and the access to the union room must be safeguarded by neutral college authority. Neither students nor staff should hold the unauthorized control over it. Autonomy from external political control. College staff and administrative decisions must refrain from the influence of political leaders or external figures. Institutional autonomy is critical for impartial functioning. Democratic, apolitical student union. For cultural and administrative student affairs, an impartial student council should be elected jointly by students and faculty through democratic and non-political means.
Active internal complaints committee, a function in ICC under the POSH Act 2013 is mandated. If the current ICC is inactive or compromised, affected individuals should be guided to file complaints with the UGC or the Ministry of Education. Formation of a student safety committee. A non-political and trusted student safety committee must be established to represent victimized individuals, conduct awareness drives, and raise safety-related concerns without fear of retribution. Collaborative advocacy for justice. The college foster alliances with student bodies of other colleges, women's rights organizations, and responsible media outlets to ensure public accountability when justice delayed or denied.
Zero tolerance of policy on drugs. Okay, so zero tolerance policy on drugs and violence. The recent Alice Rave incidents raises serious concern. The college must immediately issue a zero tolerance policy on the use of drugs, sexual misconduct and violent behavior, and conduct a fair and independent inquiry into the matter. Lastly, counseling and mental health services. A full-time counselor or tie-up with a mental health organization should be facilitated to students facing trauma, stress and harassment-related issues.
There is also another point which we need to discuss. Fair elections for student council. There should be free and fair elections according to the constitutional and democratic rights of the students. Only the current students can take part in the elections for students' body, and no ex-students should be allowed in that. The process election should be held by following the statutory provisions.
ওকে, এছাড়াও আরো অনেক পয়েন্টস আছে, আমরা তো বলছি না। আপনারা এইটা আমাদের ডেপুটেশন, ঠিক আছে? রাখো রাখো রাখো, এক জায়গায় স্টে করো, এক জায়গায় স্টে করো।
একটু বাঁদিকে স্টে করবে, বাঁদিকে বাঁদিকে একটু বাঁদিকে, এই বাঁদিকে বাঁদিকে স্টে করো। ঠিক আছে।